Hello guys, welcome to my channel Redo Excel. I'm Akanksha, and as in the last video I said I will show you how I made this dynamic drop down which can give you maximum sales, minimum sales, total sales using the feature of subtotal. So let's start. So here's my data, okay, and here I would need my list. We will be using only three functions, 9 for total sales. I will use data validation for getting this list. So you can see I'm getting this, right? So now how I will use three functions. One is subtotal, second is index, and third is match. Okay, so how I want my answer? In subtotal I want 9 or 5 or 4 and then range. In index I want lookup range and answer 1, 2 or 3. Okay, and in match b1 will be my lookup value, and then range where I find the lookup value. Okay, these will be my arguments. Now how would I get these arguments? And so it's subtotal. I'll get the final result. In index I'll get the answer 9 or 5 or 4, and in match I'll get the answer row number 1 or 2 or 3, right? So in this way I will be doing my nesting. Now C is equal to subtotal. So I need the answer as first argument as 9 or 5 or 4, which I'll get from index. Okay, so now in index I'll have my lookup range. So my lookup range will be this because I need the answer 9 or 5 or 4. Here my second argument for row number will be 1, 2, 3, which I'll get answer from match. So match lookup value, this b1 is my lookup value, and the range where I find the lookup value. So here I find the lookup value, right? And since I need it absolute, it will be 0. I will jump out of this function. I'll come in index. I will not put any column number because I have just selected a single column, so by default it's the same column. I'll jump out of index and come to subtotal. This will be my range. Okay, and here, so you can see total sales, minimum sales, maximum sales. So you can really delete it or hide it. This you should not delete because this you have used in data validation. So I'll just hide them and I will delete this stuff just for the explanation. So here it is. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please do share, like, subscribe and press that little bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.